Hello everyone, today we will perform the experiment about Ohm's law.
Now the aim for this experiment to verify Ohm's law by studying the relationship between voltage and current in an electrical circuit. Now according to Ohm's law states that at a constant temperature, the current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to potential difference it. V directly proportional I, V equal to IR. Now we use some instrument for this experiment. This is resistor, this is battery, this is voltmeter, this is ammeter, this is plug key.
Now we connect the circuit.
First of all, we connect the positive terminal of battery to the positive terminal of voltmeter. After it, we have an unknown wire in the form of resistor wire. The end of wire is connected to the positive terminal of voltmeter and other end of this wire is connected to the negative terminal of voltmeter. And then the negative terminal of voltmeter is connected by the plug key. And the other end of key is connected by the rheostat. And the rheostat's other end is connected by the positive terminal of ammeter. Now the negative terminal of ammeter is connected by the negative terminal of battery. So our circuit is completed. Now check the readings. Voltmeter 1, ammeter 0.
After that, open the key and change the value of rheostat.
.4 voltmeter, 0.2 ammeter. .3 voltmeter, 0.1 ammeter.